Welcome back to our channel where we share useful tips and tricks to help you maximize your small space. Living in a small space can be challenging, but it doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style or function. In today's video, we'll be sharing some storage and organization tips that will help you make the most out of your limited space. Whether you're living in a small apartment, a tiny house, or a dorm room, these tips will help you declutter, organize, and make your space look more spacious and functional. Let's get started. Decluttering your space. Before we get into the storage and organization tips, it's essential to start with decluttering your space. Decluttering will help you get rid of things that you no longer need, use, or love, making it easier to organize the things that you do need. Here are some tips on decluttering your space. Start with one area at a time. If you try to declutter your entire space all at once, you'll likely get overwhelmed and give up. Instead, start with one area at a time, such as your closet, your kitchen, or your bedroom. Use the 3-box method. The 3-box process involves creating 3 boxes labeled keep, donate, sell, and throw away. As you declutter, sort your items into these boxes. Be ruthless. When decluttering, it's important to be ruthless and ask yourself if you really need, use, or love each item. If the answer is no, let it go. Storage solutions for small spaces. Now that you've decluttered your space, it's time to think about storage solutions that will help you make the most of your limited space. Here are some storage tips for small spaces. Use vertical space. When you have limited floor space, it's important to use your walls and vertical space. Use multifunctional furniture. Invest in furniture that serves multiple purposes, such as a bed with built-in storage, a table that can be used as a desk, or a storage ottoman that can also be used as a coffee table. Use under-bed storage. Under-bed storage is a great way to maximize your space without taking up any extra floor space. Use storage boxes or containers to store items such as bedding, shoes, or off-season clothing. Use closet organizers. Closet organizers such as hanging organizers, shoe racks, or belt hangers can help you make the most of your closet space and keep your clothes and accessories organized. Organization tips for small spaces. In addition to storage solutions, it's important to think about organization tips that will help you keep your space tidy and functional. Here are some organization tips for small spaces. Group similar items together. Grouping similar items together, such as all your cooking utensils or all your skincare products, will make it easier to find what you need and keep your space organized. Use labels. Labels can help you identify the contents of boxes, containers, or drawers, making it easier to find what you need and keep your space organized. Use drawer dividers. Drawer dividers can help you keep your drawers organized and prevent items from getting mixed up or tangled. So there you have it, some storage and organization tips to help you maximize your small space. By decluttering your space, using storage solutions, and implementing organization tips, you can make the most out of your limited space and create a functional and inviting space. If you have any additional tips or tricks for maximizing small spaces, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching.